How to add a text slider in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a text slider in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first, you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. And then we'll be in this dashboard. You can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it and after that you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So basically uh, in this video we're gonna add new element. For for example, can add new element here, I mean new section, and then after that we can go to add an element here, and then you can navigate to text. And for the text slider, you can choose text marquee. So basically the text marquee is a text slider. The text is sliding when someone visits your website. So you can choose the style. I'm gonna choose maybe this one, new arrival. You can just click it and it will appear in your website editor. So if we preview it, so let's see the preview. I think it's loading. So yeah, like that. So it will be like this, it's sliding. So if you want to modify it, you can just click edit site again, and then you can just click check change text. If you want change the text, maybe another, maybe new products, maybe new products or something like that. Then also you can change the text marker here. You can maybe you can change the style if you want, maybe like this or like this. It's up to you. And also you can change the font size, and the color. Also, if you want to make it italic, and you can explore more here. And then for the connect text marquee, if you want to set it, you can do it. So I think that's it. How to add text slider in your Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.